Maxine at Fabricland. I'm going to show you some inspiration for decorations for like door bows as well as tables. Watch to the end where I'll show you how to actually make this. So here we are in front of some of our tables that we've done. What we've done is use this lovely mince pies fabric. We've got it on offer £1 a metre. You can't go wrong. It's almost disposable for that price. We do it in the green, we've got it in the red, and we do it in the cream. And we've put it on the cream on our table here, along with these lovely glittery felt squares, which we're using as placemats. We do these in lots of colours. We do gold, silver, red, green, and we've got a couple of other pastel-y colours. We've also got our Christmas tree decoration kit. So I've put that on the tree so you can see if you haven't had that yet. £8.99. Bargain. So what we've done is we've used some polycotton through the middle. That's cheap, £2.49 a metre. Some of our lovely jingly bells, which come in lots of Christmas colours, just to jazz up your table. So you could use this maybe for Christmas dinner, or maybe even use it for your buffet table. I've also got my gonks in the background because everybody has gone gonkers for these gonks. I can't believe how many we're selling. They're absolutely gorgeous. Either £8.99 for the kit or £12.99 for the kit. So come and have a look at those on our website. But now I'm going to move. Oh, sorry, I forgot Simon the Snowman. We've got him as well. He's lovely. I like him. So now we're going to tell you about these silver ones. So a lot of people have got grey houses at the moment. So we've gone for something silver and white. Looks quite classy. A bit of sequin fabric through the middle. And we've got feathers if you want to go all out and go like you do in the hotels. Silver bells, silver placemats. We also do PVC tablings. So we've got Christmas ones, or we've got this star one, or we've got clear glitter PVC. So maybe if you've got children, what you would like to do is to use your best tablecloth and then cover it with some of that. So it keeps it sparkly in Christmas, but clean. And now I'm going to show you how to make that door bow. So here's the door bow. So I've used red and green. You can use whatever colours you like to make it. Now, because the net isn't woven, it's just made up of a little mesh, it doesn't fray. So you can literally just cut it, and also it will withstand weather because it's just like nylon polyester. So it makes no difference, and it's got the stiffness. So you can hang it on your front door, and it's not going to matter if it rains or even snows if we're lucky. Okay, so it should be fine. We've got lots of different colours to choose from. These are our most popular colours for the door bows at the moment, but there's pinks, blues. If you maybe wanted to do a baby shower or just an event, and it's quite nice, it looks quite like nice and funky, doesn't it? Right, then we've used a bit of this gold in the middle, so you can use anything in the middle. This is just some Diamante. We've got just cut again, and what we've done is we've just made the bow, and all I did is just folded the net and grabbed it in the middle, did some tails, and voila, we've got a door bow. You probably need in total to make this 6 or 7 metres. So we'll put some instructions on our website, so if you want to have a go, you can have a go. Goodbye.